Me and tell you some stick to the dog, never basic. What you don't know, Jahvinci, you know you can check me out. One on one.
Virgin came out, took the place by storm, and then in your mind.
Actually, the whole EP come out. I am the world singer EP. The whole EP drop and people did just start pick the song with them like.
Yeah.
And that me and the G that do also, like we sit down and we say, I could see which song the people them are gravitate to because what we do, we never made any of the tracks them similar to the next one. You understand me? I say we just decide say yo we are put out a compilation of hot songs and anything the people them are feel and work with then we are gonna put some energy in it. You understand me? I say and
love when I pick up your face, tell me don't stop it.
That night in the hours at night, I said, bro, we think we'll find it, and he said, what? Let me hear. And he said, but like, I sing some part of it and make him hear it. And he said, well, yeah, I said, man, link up at the studio right now. I'm there for each. I don't if him even take me serious, say, yo, we just jump out of the house that was at night. I say, yo, make a vice. You understand me? I say, I won't do it. It's like the first time I hear him, remember, him make two call and, make two people hear it, said, when I say, yo, listen this, what you think? And it was crazy, respond, same time. And he must say, yo, Ja, this is it.
Alright, so you kind of knew in yourself that, that song you're going to be it for me, because you say you find it.
Yeah.
Right, but did you expect it to blow up the way it did?
No, I'm not going to lie still. I never expected that would go on the way it go on. I know say it's gonna be something different because enough people never really hear that side there, Jahvinci. You get where I come from, even though we do songs with soft and baby girl I'm alone.
Right?
But something like that where you talk about,
Give me what you want for me. Baby, take your time for me. Love it when you want for me.
It's a great look, man, and we do the groundwork, the promotion, we see what the people them like, we give them the video because I eat them a feel and it worked. Yeah.
Alright, so it worked for you and then it's like your mind you say, I find the formula. And of course, with the help of Not Nice, you followed up with another EP. And you said, like, when I find a groove, yeah, I just stick to it.
Well, and me, so I find the groove and I
people them, okay.
You understand me? I said the girl them did go they still go crazy over the track. You understand me? I say, and it's like them requested more. Every time I look on my comment, it was like, yo, we need one more please. Yo, and Not Nice decided to say, yo, let's just give the people them what they want. We just go and several more virgin then. You understand me? I say, so that's what we do.
Alright, so let's talk about Pretty Like a Rose. Because that song is following in the footsteps of Virgin.
Yeah, well, honestly, like me, definitely did that. You understand me? I say the response was good from Virgin. And I say, alright, then if I go really top this song, I have to top this song. You understand me? I say, so.
Baby, pretty like a rose, yeah. Pretty like a rose.
Alright, so tell the people when the Passion EP came out and like what was the reaction when the whole EP dropped?
Yeah, alright. So we drop it on December 18th. You understand me? I say, and trust me, it's a great response. Like just like how we see how I Am the World Singer drop and the people them just gravitated. Everybody was waiting on what's next. You understand me? I say so. When we dropped Passion, it was like everybody was, yo, we are wait for this, yo, we love it, and then them just grab a track with their love again. You understand me? I say, and actually, most of the track them work this time because I'm more sexual type of thing, you get me? And we see the lady them like the vibe there, you get me?
Alright, Jahvinci, because you couldn't in other kind of zone, yeah, and don't have nobody special. So, I want to hear you have somebody special where you inspire that kind of vibe, yeah?
I mean.
Okay.
Just tell me where you want, baby, whisper, make me know again.
Alright, so what's next for Jahvinci? since you're, found your niche, what's next for you?
Just more greatness, you get the man say, we've been did a wait on this, for the whole pandemic, give you a little ease, you understand the man say, and we see where all of what we that say, actually, take time and unlock right now, so it's a joy, a whole heap of shows a book, a whole heap of people want to see me in a whole heap of places, and it's overwhelming, you get me, and I feel good, I feel comfortable with my team. I feel like I do have a strong team, and I feel like I just make some crazy thing happen so people will just wait for the greatness. Just the process, as we say. And yeah, definitely.
The place open up back because when you dropped Virgin and then the whole I Am the World Singer EP we did then at the pandemic, so you never really get to go a road with them songs.
You never get to really perform, not even Virgin for ladies, them like how many do.
Don't it?
So it's not too late because it's still one of the artist songs,
Of course.
We get the #1 streaming song too, you get me, I say, which is Virgin.
So how much are you looking forward to performing it live for the fans?
I already know. You understand? Already know what it is.
So on the book on the
Her lips that on my ears can't even speak, but me and she breathing.
Only for shows, just stay tuned for my gram. And the so I go, real Jahvinci. You understand me? I say, so follow me, show love, you get me? I say, yeah, everything I post and I see what I go, where me up to next, where me I move to next, you get me? Yeah, all of that.
Alright, if you could say thank you to your team or express some kind of gratitude for getting you back on a level, what would you say?
I just grateful, as I say, as enough people see it, say, the thing we kind of, I'm not gonna say fall off, because we never stop doing music, you understand what I say, but we know what we did want, you understand what I say, and it was a strong team, you understand, so for all of the work we not nice I do, we're grateful, you get me, I come from, and him know that, him see it, him know loyalty are the key, you see me, yeah, and him know say a whole heap of that in a Jahvinci, loyalty, you get me, I say, yeah man, so it's a never stop movement, man, you see me?
Them see the shirt, them see the pants, but me not done press.
When people talk about Jahvinci in the future, what do you want them to say?
Man, I want to be like Bob, man, and what do you mean I talk about this? Every time you see an artist there, so Bob man get the #1 spot, just give him 2 or 3 weeks after that. You see Bob just do so zoop and go back up on the #1.
Facts.
You understand what I say? Yeah, so that's what I want to leave. You understand? I want my name be a household name. You get me? I come from. I want people find motivation in my song them. You understand what I say? I want if you feel discouraged, say, yo, a jam you have to turn to get that real uplifting vibe there. What more want. So I just them thing there. When I talk about the left right now still, so I'm gonna sick of me in. Yeah.
And you not run down the hype of music for the hype of it.
No time. People know that too. I don't have to say that. Most of the people them will know, we've been following me. Like real fans them know say we're not about the hype. We just make the music talk for you, you get me? Yeah man.
Alright, Jahvinci. We really would have liked you still. You know, for giving a full out performance. Yeah, right, that's all.
Pretty like a rose, yeah. Oh, pretty like a rose. Baby girl, come closer. Skin a glow like diamond, make me want to see you more. When you wind up slow, girl, you make me love a grow. Just tell me where you want, baby, whisper, make me know, give you my love, make you cry out, baby.
Alright, we're not get no more. We're go on to the show them, go see. Live and in living colors. Thank you, Jahvinci, for being here.
Nice, man, no joke.
Alright, bless up yourself. This has been one-on-one with Jahvinci. Catch us next time on JamaicaObserver.com because you don't know who we're going to have in the seat next. So just stay tuned. And you can follow Jahvinci on all social media platforms.